Hello everyone, my name is Neha and today I'm going to share my experience on baby's food aversion, mistakes we did and how we overcame that. So before that, let me introduce my lovely baby to you all who will be 11 months next week, and her name is Verika. Hey Verika, say hi. Hi. Okay, so let me just quickly give you a background about my daughter, then we can discuss more about it. So, we were blessed with a baby girl in October 2019. From the starting itself, she used to take very small meals in regular interval. Like every 3 to 4 hours, I used to feed her. But since she was very small, and in my family, everyone used to say, "Oh, your baby is very thin," and she was little underweight too. So I have that anxiety, or I have to feed her more, and I was not able to feed my milk to her because of some medical issues. So I have to give her formula milk. So what happened that from the starting itself, I used to give her formula milk, and she was taking pretty good quantity in the starting, like around 600 to 700 ml. But suddenly, at around 3.5, when she was around 3.5 months, suddenly her volume started decreasing. Like from 600 to 700, it was around 300 to 400 ml. And let me just tell you that I have that habit in my mind that I used to calculate ml, how much milk she is drinking, rather than just thinking that whatever she is drinking it's fine. I used to calculate ml in my mind. So one day, like it happened, like when she was around 4.5 months old, suddenly what happened that she stopped taking every single meal. So whenever I used to keep her in my feeding position to put a bottle in her mouth, she used to cry like hell, and she would try to come out of that feeding position. And after removing her as well, as at that time also she used to cry. So I was like, I don't know what happened to my baby. Then me and my husband decided that we should seek some doctor advice, because as all of you are aware that before 6 months we can't give any other thing apart from milk, and we were very worried what needs to be done. So we went to three different doctors, and yeah, three different doctors, and it was like we live in Hyderabad, so it was Hyderabad's like you one of the best doctors we went to, and we explained our situation to them, but none of them had answers to why our baby is behaving in such a way. I told them that uh, till the time she is awake she won't take any feed, but as soon as she's slept and I am giving her dream feed, then only she is taking it. As soon as she just open her eyes, she won't touch a bottle nipple on her lip. So some of them thought that she might have reflux and gave us some medicine, and some of them told that if she is taking a feed and sleep, that's just a habit and keep on feeding her. But I told them that it's not possible, because as you're aware that as the baby's age increases, baby sleeps less. So I told them that if my baby is not sleeping for 4 and 5 hours, how should I feed her? So they didn't have any answer, and they were like, maybe let's try it for like let's see it more for more 1 week. If she is still not taking milk, then we have to admit her in the hospital just to check what has happened to her in her body. So then me and my husband came back, and we decided we won't be giving her any medicine, because I just googled about reflux and everything. It was like she doesn't have any symptoms that a reflux baby should have. Then I was very anxious, very sad, like what needs to be done, since my baby was not taking any milk and she was just crying, and you won't believe, like it used to take around 2 to 3 hours for me and my husband to make her sleep and then feed her. Our life was becoming like, you can say it was like hell for both of us, because no one can see your baby is like crying all the time. So I was just searching on Google if I can get any help, and most of the things were leading to dead end. Then we decided we should find some similar cases. Maybe some moms have faced it, and we can read their success stories, what they have done, if I can found any, right? So what I did, like I searched around Google and I read about the experiences mom shared, and then I learned few of the things which I'm gonna tell you first. What mistakes I did after going through those articles, and then I'll tell you how I implemented that for my baby, and we were able to overcome that, and we have a happy baby now. So let me just tell you what mistakes we. So like I tell you that from the starting itself my baby was lean, so we used to monitor the amount of milk she is taking each day, and I googled it around that this month baby should be feed taking, and this if your baby is 2 months, then she should be taking this much amount. So I used to sometimes force feed her. So what happened that she was pushing out the nipple that she don't want to drink, but still I used to force feed her, no, you have to finish that bottle. Then with these things in mind, we were focusing more and more making her drink a good amount rather than making the feed an enjoyable moment. So if she would refuse a milk, like I said, I used to do different tricks. Like I used to tell my husband that you should play some toys with her. This will lead to drink more and more milk, and weight was increased. But eventually, like I told you, it happened that she stopped taking any milk. So during the last week of February, she started refusing milk completely, and she would sleep with empty stomach. Our feed went really low, our anxiety level increased a lot. We were not sure why she's crying, and we tried different bottles, different position, different nippers, but nothing worked for her. And like we were going super crazy, like what needs to be done for it. So after going through many articles, here are the things which few things which I learned, that baby should have an enjoyable experience in his or her feed. A baby will never keep himself or herself hungry. He should be drinking as much as she is willing to feed, not as per us, like all the quantities which are defined online or by the doctors. And as soon as baby rejects the offer, just stop it immediately and just let her go. And after 10 minutes, try it once more again. If she rejects, just let her be. Just think that she don't want to take more and she is full now. So I followed this particular practice. The 2 offer practice, in which I used to prepare a milk for her. I used to give her first offer. As soon as she stopped drinking it, I used to remove the bottle from her side, and then again after 5 to 10 minutes I used to feed her again. If she's taking, it's fine. If she's rejecting, I used to stop feed her. So this way, eventually what happened, like it took us around, you can say, 1 to 2 months, but eventually what I noticed, that she started taking feed, she was enjoying the feed, she was not at all crying, and I also noticed one thing, that she has a less appetite, which is fine, that you and she is growing well and achieving her milestone very well. So avoiding all these things, avoiding more than 2 offers helped me a lot, and eventually I have my happy baby back. So in the end, I would just like to say that our baby happily drinks now at as much as she wants. She is aversion free. We have stopped measuring her total feed a day. We have stopped measuring her weight from time to time. We let her decide how much she wants to eat and end the feed as soon as she runs away from it. Even I am practicing the same thing since she has started food also. Now since she is 11 months old now, for food also we just give her the plate, and she decides on how much she wants to eat, and if she runs away, we just avoid that, remove that plate from her side. So hope this helps to everyone, and especially it helps to other mothers who must be struggling like the way we struggle about it. Thank you very much, everyone.